and welcome to a brand new Roblox video. In today's video, as you guys saw with the title and thumbnail, we are going to be playing a Roblox 3008. 3008 is based off of an SCP called IKEA, the IKEA SCP, and it's basically an SCP of IKEA, except it's infinite. And yeah, this will be cool. And I'm playing with my friend here, and we're probably not gonna find each other, but yeah, so let's get into it. We should start building a base. Wait, how do I grab this? Nope. E-R-T, nope. E. Oh my gosh, how do I, F-G. Okay, I did. He told me to whistle, so I did. By the way, I'm gonna turn the volume up so you guys can hear it. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it down because there's music. Oh, I finally figured out how to pick up a couch. Okay. I don't need that. So I see you. I see you, my friend. I finally found him! Woohoo! Okay. On the way I collected a few items. And yeah. Alright, let's build our base. Okay. What you said. Okay, there we go. Let's start. Okay, this should be a good starter. With the wood. Okay. By the way, if you hear like, I don't know, funny noises in the background, it's probably just me eating noodles, because I like noodles. Okay, we have found the place where we're gonna make our whatchamacallit base. Okay, waypoint 1, name. Wait, delete. Okay, waypoint 1, home. Hide waypoint name, waypoint color. It'll be blue. Okay. There you go, and waypoint icon. Home. Okay. Create waypoint. Okay. Alright, let's get to building. Oh no, the night started. Oh, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. We don't even have our base finished yet. Crap. E, no. Rotate it. 2. Wait, no. 3. Okay. E, there we go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Why should I be scared? It's just a video game. But I'm still scared. Gee, I'm gonna eat some stuff. Consume. Consume. Alright. There we go. Alright, here we go. Now I'm gonna pick up this. And eat. Table. I gotta go get it. Okay. Think we should be good. I'm just gonna sit here and that's employee. Okay, Pawn is finally back. So yeah. Okay, so we found a place to like hide for the night. We're gonna be staying here, and yeah. So I guess I'll just cut to the part where we actually get there. I mean, where the night ends. Yeah. Okay. Phew. The night is finally over. Okay, let's get to building. All right, and I guess I'll do a time lapse of us building. the night has started, and this is bad. Okay. Is our base set yet? Or okay. Nighttime. Yeah. Just gotta hope that nobody comes. I can't see a thing. I'm gonna eat some stuff. Okay. Eat that. And yeah. I will let you guys know if anything interesting happens. Okay. There's currently one of the little funny things trying to break in. I'm surprised it didn't just walk through the door, since it's, you know, small, but you know. I think, I'm a little worried. Hold on. I'm gonna, oh crap, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Pick that up. Drop it. Okay. Pick this up. Move it over here. Now put that right there. Alright, let's see. Is this good? That is perfect. Alright, now nothing can get in. Alright. I'm gonna put this, like, right here. Alright. Cool. Whoa! Oh no! One of the employees got in! Oh no. Run. Run, run, run. Oh, okay. I gotta get him out of there before it kills him. No! Ah! Ah! Oh no, we're gonna die! Oh, run! I can't even. Okay, I have to eat. I have to eat. Consume. Consume! 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 It's not working! I died. Dang it. I survived 2 nights. Okay. I guess I'll reset. Huh. Well, I guess that's a good way to end this video. If you guys enjoyed, then, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment, as it all helps me, out in me to, like, you know, help my channel grow. And, yeah, I will see you guys next video. Bye!